Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to make a hinge in Autodesk Inventor Sheet Metal. We will make this hinge in three parts. This will be the part 1 and the other side will be the mirror part of this, the part 2, and this the pin between which will hold the hinge profiles, the part 1 and part 2. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a sheet metal part in millimeter. Go to 2D sketch. Now go to XY plane and go to rectangle command. Now take the 2-point center rectangle. From center point, make the rectangle and go to dimensions. The height will be of 90 mm and the width will be of 35 mm. Here we want to make this profiles. So for that, exit command. Now select this line and make it construction geometry. Just click here, construction geometry. Okay. Now go to rectangle command once again. Go to 2-point rectangle. From this start point, make a rectangle. Give it a dimension. This will be 10 and this will be 15 mm. Okay. Now similarly we want to make open this 3 parts. So go to rectangular pattern. Select this rectangle. Deselect this and go to direction 1. Select this line. It is going downwards. The pattern will be of 3 and the center to center distance of 30. Okay, it is also selecting these lines. So unselect this line. Okay. So this will be the pattern. Now make this construction. We have made this a construction geometry. So now go to line command. Join these profiles with each other. This will be this and this will be the end. Okay. Now go to sheet metal. Go to face command and select these profiles one by one. They'll join with each other and okay. Okay. Now we want to change the thickness of the sheet. So go to sheet metal defaults. Uncheck this. And here the by default thickness is given as 0.5 mm. But we want a thickness of 2.5 mm. So change this to 2. So 2.5 and apply. Sheet thickness has increased. Now we will go to hem command. Select this and we want our rolled sheet over here. So we'll change the view. Select this view. You want a roll at angle. It will ask you the angle. The angle will be 270. Okay, and apply. Similarly, you can apply here. Don't exit from the command. The settings will remain same. And apply. Similarly here and apply. Okay. Now select this face. Go to 2D sketch. Now we are going to make these whole profiles. These are the countersunk. Go to point command. make 2 points. Now go to dimensions. From top, this will be at a distance of 10, and from side, distance of 10. Similarly, the next, this from top will be at 30, and from side, this will be 17.5. Okay. Now finish sketch. Go to hole command. Go to countersunk. It is by default selected. We will select the simple hole in hole, and in sheet we will select the countersink. This will be through all. The direction will be by default. The countersink dia will be 7.5 mm, and the below dia will be 5 mm. Okay, you can see here the profile. It will by default select the points which we have given, and okay. Now we want to make these holes here also. So go to mirror command, select the holes, go to mirror plane. From here, select the mid plane, the exit plane, and okay. The profile is mirrored. Rotate the view. Now at these edges we want to give the radius. So go to corner round, take the radius as 10 mm. Now select the upper edge and the lower edge, and okay. Okay. Now give this a material. From here we will give the material as we will give here steel polished. Okay, steel polished. Okay. Now save it. We'll make a new folder. Hinge 1 2. Okay. So save this part as part 1 2. Okay. The next part will be the same. So we'll use the same part for both the sides. Now we will make the pin. This pin we will make. For this, go to new, go to standard part in millimeter. Now go to 2D sketch and select the XY plane. Go to line command and make a line over here, and make a rough sketch and join this. Okay. Now go to horizontal constraint, make it horizontal, select this line. Okay. Now go to dimensions, give this a dimension of 94. Select this top and midpoint. This will be the 94/2. This will be the mid. The dia will be of 2.5, and this will be of 5.5. Okay. Now this distance will be of 2 mm, and go to constraint. We'll select the coincident constraint. Select this midpoint and select this midpoint. Okay, what's the unconstrained profile? Now, as you can see, this is moving. So go to horizontal constraint. Okay, go to vertical constraint. Select this top point and select this midpoint. Okay, now it is fully defined. Now go to first finish the sketch. Now go to revolve. By default, select the profile. For axis, select this axis and OK. Now we want this profile over here also. So go to mirror, select this profile, go to mirror plane. Now go to origin, select the exact plane and OK. OK. Now save it as in. OK. Define its grade also. So we will use the same material, silver polished, steel polished. OK. Now go to file. Now we will do the final assembly. Go to new. Now take the assembly in standard assembly in millimeter. Double click. Now go to place. We will select from Hinge 12 the folder which we have made and call part 1 and 2. Place it over here. Escape. Now change the view. Go to shaded with edges. Okay. Now open this folder and open the origins. This will open the planes, and from here open the origins of assembly. We will match the planes of assembly and the first part which we call in assembly. To constrain the whole assembly, go to constraint, select the YZ and the YZ of the part, flip the direction and apply. Now XZ of plane assembly and XZ of part and apply. Similarly, XY of assembly and XY of part and apply. Okay, now this is defined. This part will not move anywhere. Through this, the whole assembly will get constrained. Otherwise, the assembly will always keep moving, and during the drawing process, you will not be able to generate views properly. Now, we want this a copy of this. So, select this and right click, or just select this and CTRL plus C and press CTRL plus V. The copy paste, simple copy paste. Now the part is being copied. Select the second part, go to free rotate, rotate it. Okay, in opposite direction here. Okay, now go to constraint, select the outer and it will select the axis. Similarly, select its axis and apply. This is the a concentric mate. Now move this upwards. Now go to constraint once again. Now select this face, rotate the view and select this face and apply. Now open this. Okay, go to home. Now this in Hinge, this is the fixed part, the part 1, and this will be the moving part, the part 2. Okay, it will move it like this. Okay, now we will place the pin in between here. So go to place and select the pin part. Keep it here. Now exit. Now go to constraint and select the axis of the pin and axis of this hinge and apply. Rotate the view. Now select this face of the pin and this face of the hinge and apply. Now exit from command. Now change the view. Now you can see the hinge is made. You can just rotate it wherever you want. This was the basic tutorial of how to make a hinge in Autodesk Inventor Sheet Metal. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.